everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Miaira Jennings, and in this DIY video, I'm going to show you how I turned this into this. Stay tuned.
Picture me rolling. Alright guys, today's DIY is inspired by this little denim bralette number that Jhene Aiko recently wore on her Jimmy Kimmel performance. And Danny Lay also has a similar look going on in her music video for Levi High. Now typically I would start off with a complete pair of jeans that I either got from the clearance rack at Ross or from a thrift store, but since we are in a quarantine situation here, I'll be using the scrap pieces of denim from this bucket hat and shorts project that I recently did. In addition to that, I'll be using a pencil, fabric scissors, sewing pins, and my sewing machine. That's it. For more information on those items, just scroll down to that description box. And let's get started. First things first, I am using my fabric scissors to cut strips from those darker portions of the denim. There's not a ton of the darker shade left, but I do want to use at least those strips to outline the outside of the bralette. Next, I am cutting lighter strips that are going to be the inside of each bralette triangle. And these strips are about 2 inches wide. Next, I am laying those strips on top of the remaining denim to create the triangles. Then I'm just using my pencil to mark those triangle shapes. And then using my fabric scissors to cut them out. Once those are cut, I am placing this strip of the bottom of a pant leg, and that's going to hold them together. And then I'm using this extra strip, cutting it in half, and those are going to be the straps. Now, for the sake of simplicity, time, and materials available, I decided to do a halter top for this one, but feel free to do regular straps if you want. Now, with this excess piece of material, I am cutting a strip, cutting that strip in half, and we're going to use this to extend that bottom strap so that I can tie it together in the back. And again, it's just way easier to be able to tie this together instead of having to measure and sew and adjust and all that. Alright, and now that those pieces are in place, I'm using my fabric scissors to trim everything, make sure it's nice and neat. And now I'm using my sewing pins and pinning everything in place. During this project, I realized that I really should get some sewing clips for thicker materials, so stay tuned. I ordered some and I'm going to be using those from now on for thicker fabrics. And now that everything is sewn, we're going to head over to the sewing machine. Now all I'm doing is sewing along all of the pinned edges, removing the pins as I go. Now I decided to leave the kind of raw edge look because I really liked that, but you can definitely choose to pin the right sides together so that way when you sew there will be no raw edges showing. Now I'm just adding the straps, and the top is complete. Guys, I'm really excited about this. It was super simple, didn't take too much time, and I cannot wait to try this on. Let's go.
And that's it, guys. Just a little bit of simple sewing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please drop a comment below to let me know what you think and let me know what you want to see me DIY next. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you never miss a DIY video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.